Eye contact is one of the most powerful ways to dominate a conversation or make a girl fall in love. The problem is that most of you are doing it wrong. See, I think there's about 5 different types of eye contact. Most of you are doing the incorrect ones. Today, I'm gonna show you how to look at other people's eyes correctly. Starting with number 1, I call it the love triangle. This is a good one. See, when you're in a romantic setting, when you're in a setting where you wanna elevate tensions, get her blood pumping, get her to feel butterflies in her stomach, try the triangle. Remember, you have to stay dominant in this interaction, and most of the times when you're in a situation like this, you flee. You don't do it correctly. So, to make yourself feel comfortable and start giving her signals to where you want to lead things, try the triangle, which is easy. You're basically gonna draw a triangle on her face. You're gonna be bouncing your eyesight from eye to eye and then to mouth. It's a simple technique, and it's also beneficial to you. See, a lot of times, just looking at the eyes can be daunting, right? The pressure can feel a little bit high. When you're comfortably in a conversation and just slowly bouncing from eye to eye and then to mouth, and do it gradually, right? Don't just do it like a robot. You want to do it smoothly. You're going eye to eye, you're laughing, eye to eye, then mouth, then eye, right? It's this gradual progression of where you're moving your eyesight, allowing you to rest so you're not just zeroed in like a creep because you're nervous and you're freezing up. Now, taking me to number 2, the locked in weirdo. See, most of you understand the power of eye contact. The problem is that you guys overcompensate. This is similar to the guy that understands that a good handshake is a good thing that makes you look dominant, that makes you look more powerful, and then you overcompensate by squeezing that person's hand. That's the same thing with the locked in eyes. When you understand that eye contact is important, what do? You lock in for 100% of the time and try to overcompensate and cover the fact that you're actually insecure or that you're feeling nervous. So the last thing you want to do is this style of eye contact where you're just completely zeroed in on that person, because it's going to make the other person feel uncomfortable to the point that they're going to know, yo, this guy's a weirdo. This takes me to number 3, the mysterious one. See, if you're just starting out, you don't know how to bounce your eyes on that love triangle. You don't know how long you should be locked in. You don't know what to do with your eyes. Use sunglasses. If you are outdoors, this is the best hack you can do because it adds mystery to you. There are studies that show that the reason sunglasses make men so attractive, on top of structure in your face, it's a style accessory, etc., it's the mystery that it adds to you. See, your eyes are technically the window to your soul. You can really get to know somebody when you're looking at the eyes. When you block your eyes, but you're looking into hers, she feels a little bit more intimidated, and then it adds that mystery to you where it's like, she can't see everything. It's like she doesn't know everything about you, and that adds intrigue, which makes you more desirable. Yo, glasses are a superpower, and I've told you time and time again, if you don't have a good pair, go check out our brand Jade Black. We are crushing it for a reason. We just dropped our 2-in-1s. I think 2 out of the 3 pairs are sold out. They're gone. And I told you you should have picked them up on Black Friday. Now you're not gonna see them again. Now I have to design some new designs. You already know, Jade Black takes months, bro, but I got you covered. We still have some sunglasses, and I'm gonna hook it up for you guys. I want you to have a good pair of sunglasses every day of the week. So to hook it up, if you guys buy 6 frames, you can go onto the site right now and buy any 6 frames that you want. I'm gonna give you 30% off, but I'm not stopping there. I'm also gonna give you for free our leather organizer. This is something that I have in my closet because I have so many frames. I needed a system to organize everything. Our leather organizer is this high-end bundle where you can store up to 6 frames. You could use it as a traveling case as well, or just to keep your frames nicely organized and protected and dust-free in your room. That, I'm gonna give it to you completely free if you shop today in the next 24 hours. If you guys wanna check out that offer, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, the confident one. This is the best type of eye contact because this you can use in a romantic setting, or you could just use in a friendly setting if you're just getting to know somebody else. I call it a 70-30 rule. If you really want to be seen confident, it's not just about locking your eyes with somebody and just maintaining that they're like a weirdo for 100% of the time. You want to do it at 70-30%, meaning 70% of the time, you're locked into that person. The other 30, you can look off to the side. It's almost like you're thinking, you're pondering. And then for the rest of the 70, when the person's talking to you, you can do the same thing, right? You're locked in 70% of the time. You're receiving the information. Then you can look off. It's almost like you're thinking, right? This does a couple things. One, it makes the situation more comfortable, right? Two, you yourself feel more comfortable because you're just not gazing at that other person for 100% of the time. And those look-offs give you like a moment to breathe. That way you can reconnect with that other person. That is the ultimate level of confidence when it comes to eye contact that I'm telling you. It works in every situation, which ultimately reels us to number 5. It's the nervous one. This is the guy that avoids eye contact at all costs. And this is probably the worst one, which is why I left it last. This is the one guy you don't want to be. You never want to be the guy that can never look the other person in the eye. And every time he talks, he's looking off to the side. He's looking off to the bottom. You see how I'm talking to you and it's like, you're not even understanding my message. You're not even paying attention to me because I'm looking everywhere now other than you. When you want to get your point across, when you want to really convince somebody, when you really want to get somebody to like you back, you have to look at them in your eyes. Avoidance of eye contact just sends signals of untrustworthiness, of nervousness, of insecurities, and who's going to want that?